question a fundamental sense of who are we?
Yeah, and what's driven me on this quest, my own, for more than 30 years, is to try to get back to some sort of source.
Source of what?
The source of who we are.
And the timeline.
Timeline's all wrong. That's why those footprints in white sands were so significant to me. My feeling is that 23,000 years is just the beginning. We're going to go back much further than that.
Yeah, I have that feeling too.
And we are just at the edge of rediscovering so much of our lost past. And in a way, America is the place where that story is unfolding.
Well, that's an exciting idea. I think you're on a quest, Graham, to teach, to bring understanding, perhaps.
Well, the issue about the Americas is that there is so much of our past that we've forgotten, and my role, such as it is, has been to try to recover some of that lost memory.
When I think of the past like that, it sounds exciting.
Absolutely. For me, the past is all about mystery. It's not about what we do know, it's about what we don't know. The huge areas that have not been explored or investigated, the possibilities that haven't been explored.
Yeah.
We need to start looking specifically for evidence in places where we might not have looked before. During the Ice Age, the northern part of North America was a frozen wasteland. The places to look are down near the tropics, down near the equator, places that were warm, comfortable, nurturing, hospitable. Perhaps even a vast region that was long believed to be an archaeological wasteland, but where astounding secrets of the human past are now beginning to be revealed. This is the Amazon. You're looking at more than 6 million square kilometers of land that are still under dense canopy rainforest. That immense land area is a huge mystery at the heart of the human story. And little by little, we're beginning to realize how enormous that mystery really is. For decades, the dominant view of archaeologists was that the Amazon's only historical inhabitants were small, semi-nomadic tribes of hunter-foragers, much like those still surviving in the rainforest today. But I believe the dominant view is wrong. I'm headed to the far west of Brazil and the state of Acre. Like most of the Amazon basin, it had long been blanketed by sprawling rainforest, until vast expanses began to be burnt down to make way for cattle ranches. Coming to the Amazon rainforest is both an exhilarating and depressing experience. The amount of land that's been cleared of trees is an unfolding modern-day disaster with no easy solution. But as new swathes of land have been cleared, it's led to something that no one expected. I'm here to meet Dr. A329, a paleogeographer who began his career studying the Amazon's Ice Age animals. He wants to show me evidence of a mystery that remains unsolved today.
Whoa! Roller coaster.
From up here, the ongoing devastation is unmissable.
You can see how much of it has been cleared.
So much, so
Yes.
much. 20 years from now, all the forest just disappears.
But this clearance has opened a little window on a great mystery.
In 1986, Dr. Ramsey was flying